I nuked it up, guys. We're back. Guys, the fidget spinners are not here yet. Guys, I almost made 50 videos. Because you guys want to subscribe. That's how sad I am. I keep trying to make videos for you guys. And guess what you don't do? You don't subscribe. If you guys like this video, if you subscribe to this video, if you do anything, I'll do anything. Please. I need subscribers. If I can get 5, I'll take how many. I don't care if it's even 2. I mean, I actually don't care if it's 2. I'll give like, if you kind of get like 4 or 5 or something like that. If you give me more, I'll do way more stuff cooler more. Like I'll do pranks. I'll do something like that. I'll do some pranks. I don't care. I'll do some pranks. Okay? So, okay, this is not really why I was here. I was here because my fidget spinners are not ordered yet. When is my fidget spinners gonna come? When? I'm gonna spin this fidget spinner. Chance. Spell my name wrong. I think he did subscribe. He might be the one who unsubscribed to. And then it turned into 9. He actually could be that one. And I don't know. I'm figuring that out. Who it was? It could have been my mom. It could have been somebody. Don't want to hear them. Guys, I'm just forgetting. I don't know why my back's just now. So yeah, I'll see you later. Peace out. Okay, guys. By the way, I'm actually gonna make another video about this too. Michael is not blind, baby. Don't pray for Michael, bro. Don't pray for him because he's not. Well, okay, maybe you can still pray for him even though he's not blind. But he's not blind. Let's go, baby. So, yeah. I'll see you later. Peace out. And, subscribe, like this video. I can't believe Michael's not blind.